Hello, I'm standing in Khairpur Nathan-Shah district, Dadu, 5 months on from what the UN Secretary General called the monster monsoons that left a third of Pakistan underwater. And as you can see, we're very much still flooded. There's still many areas that are inundated by flood water, and we appeal to everyone to continue to assist the flood victims of Pakistan. We're looking forward to hosting an international conference in Geneva on January 9th to bring forth our proposals for reconstruction and rehabilitation. But the sheer scale of the devastation, if you see everywhere, is still massive. This is surely the climate catastrophe of our time, and we look forward to working with the international community to take the people out of this distressing situation. Pakistan contributes 0.8% to the carbon footprint, but we are the 8th most climate catastrophe-stricken country on the planet. So today I'm here in Dadu, 5 months on, and there's still plenty of water as far as the eye can see.